Monster X from Godzilla Final Wars out of LEGO. Before I talk about this MOC, I must mention that the design prioritizes play and simplicity over a complicated or perfect attempt at recreating Monster X. Nonetheless, this MOC of Monster X is meant to follow up with the similar design, scale, and articulation towards the Final Wars Godzilla and Final Wars Gigan. It is also properly scaled. Monster X averages about 17 bricks tall. Compared to the others, Godzilla is around 15 and Gigan is around 16. The date at which I believe this build was completed was the 14th of December 2024. Now let's discuss Monster X articulation. Starting at the head, there is a ball joint connecting the head to the upper torso, and on the head there is a simple hinge for the mouth, no articulation otherwise. Though before I move to the torso, the heads on the shoulders do articulate with a simple hinge back and forth. And now we can move over to the shoulders, which are connected to the upper torso via a ball joint, and then they have a hinge for the elbow and a ball joint for the wrist of the hand. The second hand follows the same articulation, and moving to the lower and upper torso is connected via a ball joint as well. Moving down to the legs, the thighs are connected to the lower torso via a ball joint, and the knees are a hinge, and non-surprisingly, the feet are connected by ball joints as well. The second leg follows the exact same articulation, and moving to the tail, the first joint is a ball joint on the tail before it is a hinge, and then the hinge shrinks in scale before reaching the end of the tail, where we end up reaching two hinges connected on a sideways technique to implement the snake-like tail, snake tongue-like tail. Monster X is probably the most stable of the three, least likely to break if falling, but still does not survive the fall test, obviously. That's Monster X in LEGO. Let's begin the tutorial. And here's the part list of all the pieces that I used to build Monster X, organized into 3 pictures, which I refer to as detail pieces, modified bricks, and common bricks. Let's begin the tutorial.